Welcome, project managers. In this video, we will cover some of the tasks project managers will complete on a regular basis. The project management role comes with a very important responsibility within the organization. To start with, one very important document to keep updated is the project plan. The project plan is a plan of what the project entails and tasks being completed to accomplish this project. It is important to keep this up to date as the project progresses. The project management tracking sheets are all task-oriented. This is where you will document all tasks, when they start, and the deadline for each task. Make sure to keep this up to date. All tasks must have a deadline. Please assign the deadline as soon as the task is assigned. Not assigning one is a serious violation in policy. The team roster is an updated list of everyone on your team, so keep it up to date with all their information. Be sure to keep the staff directory up to date every week for your team as well. If your team is not accurately represented on the staff directory, it is on you. When new staff join or leave your team, be sure to instruct your team associates to adjust the staff directory. All cells of the directory must be filled in. Make sure to keep up with your team and their tasks on a weekly basis. Use Google Meet, texting, calling, or emailing in order to communicate with your team members. Do not blame your staff for not communicating with you. Take ownership of the communication process and be persistent. Hold one fun meeting once a month to encourage teamwork. This meeting can be an online group game or a talking activity through the Google Meet team meetings. Make sure that you keep your team's training folder up to date with all necessary documents and training videos. It is important to have training videos explaining all documents created. For team meeting agendas, pre-plan what you will be talking about and discussing with your team. Part of the agenda is making sure that everyone is filling in their action plan, and then also showing what work they did throughout the week. Team members must keep their cameras on and collaborate on work during the meetings. When a staff member leaves your team, it is the project manager's responsibility to make sure that staff members complete the exit survey, provide a written 2-week notice to your direct supervisor, and then copy the director of human resources on it, change their name to a red-colored font in the staff directory, and put their action plan in the archives folder of the action plan folder. It is important for us to find advisors for your team. A couple examples of places this can be done with is LinkedIn and Meetup.com. You can use the example message over here to the right to contact potential advisors. This is the list of requirements that each project manager is assigned. Make sure to do the following: hold weekly team meetings, give assignments with clear deadlines to every team member, review work completed by staff members each week, maintain an accurate and updated project plan, be familiar with Selena's 5 core topics and the overall curriculum, develop business goals and objectives that will grow the project, look to collaborate with and help other departments, consistently train your staff, frequently communicate with and update your director, take initiative and urge your team to take initiative. Now that you know what is expected of the project manager role, you can get started working with your team. Good luck. You will do great.